Yes, Asta.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Astha. As we all know, our today's topic is homework. So I am calling the first name. The first name is Miss Khushbu.
Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu Peswani and I am the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes Batch First. As we all know that today's our topic is about homework, and at first I want to tell you about homework. Homework is very important for all the students, and homework developed our physical and mental skills. And now I want to tell you about homework should be given or not. In my opinion, homework should be given to all the students because student can develop themselves by the help of homework. And I think homework should be given daily because student can improve their handwriting and writing speed by the help of homework, and they feel fresh. And if they can't do homework, they feel burden because they iterate all the lessons. It is burden of them. If they do homework daily, they feel fresh and healthy because their handwriting and speed is also increasing. So I think homework should be given to all the students. That's it.
Yes, Asta.
Yes, sir. Your flow and contents are very nice. Keep it up. So next time calling the name of Mr. Pradeep.
Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Meena. I am the student of Pramban online classes from batch B9. Today's our topic is homework. Homework is a very good thing. It's also develop the skills of student. It is very necessary for develop for develop our reading and writing skills. Homework home, homework is very small thing because it is given by our teachers, and homework we should have to do homework. Homework is also also increase our writing speed and reading speed. It homework is a method of learning everything. It's make easy to learning everything because then we write something when we know it very well. Homework,
आवाज कोशिश कर.
yes sir. Homework is also good for all student because it is developed all student by inside. Most of student not doing their homework. That's why they are weak
Why?
in
Way ne?
study.
Why?
That's why they weak in study. So my message of that student, you
To that
have
student.
to that student you have to should do your homework because it prepare you for for your aim. That's it, sir.
Yes. Your speaking was very nice, and you were also stucking in middle. Next time try
Thank
to
you.
speak better. So next time calling the name of Miss Tanu.
Hello everyone, my name is Tanu Morie. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes for Batch 10. Today's my topic, my mother. My mother name is Mrs. Sushila Morie. She is about 38 years old. She is a housewife. She is very good wife. Her behavior and nature is very good. She is very kind lady. Her her favorite are black and pink. Her favorite food in is aloo paratha. She believe in the God. She worship God. She go to temple on Wednesday. Her hobby is ma- making food. She cook cook very nice food. She help all poor. She is non-vegetable. That's it, sir.
Good.
You spoke very you spoke very well, and you are also the student of batch B10. So next time calling the name of Miss Shri. Shri, are you here?
Shri. Shri. I think she is not here. Call the other name.
Okay, sir. So next time calling the name of Mr. Harshit.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Harshit and I am the student of B.A. Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's our topic is homework. Is it important or not? Homework is very important and it should given to all students, and homework may be given to all students because by it students can get a great success, and they got a higher scholarship by their writings. And if some students don't like homework because they don't take interest in doing homework, and their writing is also not good and they write by bad pen, or there are many other reasons also, but homework should be given. And sometimes I also think that homework should not be given because every student need to take rest, and as Sunday is a day of rest, but teachers give homework on that day also, and teachers think that students are nothing, but only they come to study, and at the home they play here and there, and they don't study. But some students study, and these students who don't study they take interest in other games in street, which they play in street. But that's also.
Very good. Yes, Asta.
Yes, sir. Your thoughts and flow both are very nice, and your speaking was also very nice. So next time calling the name of Miss Nisha.
सर मेरा सारा नंबर.
तो तेरा नंबर तो आवाज लगाई थी हमने, तू तो कहीं चली गई थी।
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही थी.
चल अब बोल। श्री को बोलने दो पहले।
Okay, sir.
Yes, come on, Shri. Nisha after Shri. Yes.
Hello everyone, my name is Ritikya. Today's our topic is homework. I read in class 5th, and in all schools teachers give homework to the students, and give classwork and homework, and without homework, school and students can't get their achievements, and so it is homework is very important. Teacher should give homework to the students, and students must do their homeworks. When teacher don't give homeworks to the students don't we don't touch the books that day. and so it is very important, and um, uh, teacher should give homework to the students, because by homework teachers students students can increase their writing skill, and they can revise their classwork. So teacher should give homework. In Ramban classes, sir also gave us self work and homework. Self work is also like homework, and without self work we can't learn. So, oh, and who who student don't do his homework. uh, he always poor in the uh, studying study. So uh, so all students should do their homework. uh, 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 that's it, sir.
Good.
You are the youngest student of this of B8 batch, and your speaking and your thoughts are also very nice. So next time keep it up, and so next time calling the name of Miss Nisha.
Yes. Hello everyone. My name is Nisha. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes from B6. Today I am going to tell you about homework should be given and not. I think that homework should be given because homework is very important to all in our life, and we can improve our writing capacity by the homework. Homework is very necessary to all because we can understand to all topics of our books, and we can get success in our life by the homework. And I think that homework should not be given because some teachers give much homework to all students, so students take it like a burden, and they cannot feel happy, and they think don't do this, and they want not study in our life because they focus on their plays only. That's it.
Good.
Yes, sir. You spoke short, but you spoke very well, and your flow is also very well. So next time calling the name of Mr. Rahul.
Hello everyone, my name is Almina. I am the student of Rambar Interactive Classes. The homework, as we know very well that homework is very important in student life, and we can improve our writing skill, our learning skill, and whatever we can do. We can The homework is a good thing for the students because they can learn from the homework, and when they do their homework they can understand the words we didn't understand in the classes. And I think the homework can be harmful for the student because some teachers give their homework a lot of homework, and that's why the student get depressed, and they lose their confidence, and they get very sad. And I think we should give the homework in a limit that children can understand, and they can improve their writing skill. Thank you everyone.
Good.
Your speaking was very well, and your thoughts are also very well. Next time try to speak better. So next time calling the name of Mr. Ashwak.
Yes. Hello everyone, my name is Ishfaq Khan and I am the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today's our topic is about homework. The homework. Now I'll tell you about homework. That homework is very important. Homework is very important part of student life because because through it through it a student can increase their knowledge, and and homework is also important for our writing. And so homework is very important for speaking, writing, and others. Or the homework increase our knowledge, and it is so teacher should give homework to students, but some teacher give lot of homework to students on festivals. So student don't enjoy their holidays. They can't enjoy their holidays freely, and they can't go anywhere like their relatives homes, and they they can't do anything freely. So oh, so teacher should give homework, but some, not lot of. So i I think homework is very important, but on festivals, teacher should give some homework to students. That's it.
You spoke very well, and your speaking was also very well. Keep it up. Next time, calling the name of Miss Tamanna.
Yes, good evening, all of you. My name is Tamanna. I belongs to batch number 6. As we all know, today's our topic is about homework that should be given or not. In my opinion, homework should be given, but a practical and some projects should be given to the students, so that they can improve their thinking capacity. Homework is very important because it increases students writing skill, their writing speed, and it shows that how much attention did they pay in their class.
बहुत बढ़िया हाँ
uh, but most of teachers give a lot of work to the students, so they think it burden on them. They don't play and don't eat. They have an anxiety that I have to do my work, then I will go to play. uh, so I think a practically work should be given and a limited work should be given, so that student can focus on their study, even doing their homework. Mm, mm, that's it, sir.
very good.
Very nice. Your flow and contents both are very nice. So next time inviting Miss Sneha.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Sneha. I'm from batch B8. Today's topic is homework is given or not. I think homework is very important part of a student life. Homework is given to the student for increasing their focus and concentrate. By the homework we increase our writing skill. But many teachers think that homework is very compulsory for students. They didn't think that homework is not necessary for a good student. Uh, um, um, some students do not like homework and they didn't interest their studies because they interest in games, and they became a good player for the nation. um, and they behave like a pressure for the but homework behave like a pressure for them. But the homework is um, but many times teachers give lots of homework and pressurize the students. But homework also spoils the childhood of a student. In the age of fun, the student make
make pressure on their mind because of lots of homework. Thank you, sir.
Very good. Hmm.
Yes, sir. You spoke very well, and your thoughts are very nice. So keep it up. So next, I am inviting Mr. Drashya.
Good evening, all of you. I am Drashya Agrawal, and today I am going to tell you about the homework. So, first of all, I will tell you that from where we get the homework. We get homework from our tutors and our school teachers. Our tutors and the school teachers give us the homework because so we can revise the practice the things and revise the things which they taught to us. Now I will tell you that what now the question is that is homework necessary or not? In some ways homework is necessary, and in some ways homework is not necessary. In some ways I will tell that homework is necessary. Homework is necessary by can like exams are coming nearby, and the things we have learned, and so we can revise them and practice them by the homework which our teachers give to us. And so we can, after revising, we got the we learn the thing more easily and more with more properly. um, um, some students do not study and do not do their homework. It is not good, um, but uh, uh, but it is not bad also, because some students want to do their homework, but because of some issues or problems, they are unable to do homework. um, when festivals comes nearby, the students think that we have to firstly complete our homework. When some रख देते हैं सर को, उसको क्या बोलेंगे,
रख
एग्जाम्स को
देते
रख देते हैं,
हैं।
एग्जाम्स को रख देते हैं।
ये क्या रख देते हैं? पूरा सेंटेंस बोलो।
कुछ स्कूल एग्जामों को, परीक्षाओं को त्योहारों के बाद रख देते हैं।
Some schools arrange examinations after festivals.
Okay, sir. Some schools arrange exams after festival, so the students didn't enjoy the
हाँ,
fest.
didn't क्यों? Don't enjoy, can't enjoy करो।
Okay, sir. So the students can't enjoy the festivals and prepare for the examinations, so they can get good marks. Some and the teacher thinks that the students only go at home and they play and do mischiefs at home, but it is not true. That's it.
Good.
सर
हम्म,
सर
बोलो अर्षित।
सर मैं बोल दूं क्योंकि फोन में बैटरी बहुत कम है।
तो बैटरी कम है तो बैटरी तेरे को चार्ज करके रखनी चाहिए थी ना बेटा।
नहीं
इसको बुलवा ले पहले।
सर वो
Okay, sir. So next, I am calling the name of Mr. Harshit.
yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Moria. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch B9. Today's my topic is homework. I think homework is very important for all the students. It is improve our handwriting and fast our handwriting. Homework is important for students because students improve their handwriting, fast their writing and drawing. Homework is give all the students.
इस क्या लगा रहे हो? इस गिवन ध्यान रखो वर्क फॉर्म का.
Yes, sir. Some students do not complete their homework.
Hmm.
Teachers give a class equal homework. My favorite teacher is Rajesh Kumar Gupta sir. He give us daily homework.
Hmm.
My school teacher sometimes do not give us homework.
Hmm.
Holiday homework. Teacher give us also homework. We do not enjoy our holiday. That's it, sir.
Which one?
Good. आस्था. आस्था बोल बेटा. तो माइक तो चालू कर. आस्था माइक चालू कर बेटा. आस्था.
सर शायद वॉइस नहीं जा रही उसके पास.
सर नेट का इशू हो गया शायद उनके.
Okay. Now I am Harshit. You spoke well. Next time try to better. Do your best. And now I am calling the name of Manisha. Yes, Manisha. Manisha Saini.
सर
हाँ
एंकरिंग मरू.
हाँ कर ले. स्वाग तू कर ले चल.
Yes. Now I invite the name of. सर किसका है? मनीषा दी का.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
मैं लेफ्ट हो जाऊं क्योंकि बैटरी कम है ना.
हाँ हो जा
ना. यस सर, थैंक यू.
हाँ. Yes, स्वाग.
मनीषा दी.
Good afternoon, all of you. I am Manisha, student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch B9. I am telling about homework. I would like to speak only in favor of homework. Homework is very important in a student life, and homework is prepared a student physically and mentally. Homework physically and mentally. Homeworks there is their writing skill is very good for homework, and they are speaking and understanding very fast. Homework is increase our writing scale. I think all students do their homework because homework is not only but increase the writing skill, but also he increase our understanding and speaking. Sometime but some teachers give much works in festivals of students, so they depressed and they can't nothing. So I request the teachers that they give limited work of students. That's it, thank you.
Okay. Jaswat.
Very well, Manisha Di. You spoke very well, and your contents and thoughts are very well. And next, I'm calling the name of
बाकी के लोग भी नाम डालो,
Astha.
नए वाले भी डालो, थोड़ा थोड़ा सा
Astha Di.
बोलेंगे। कोमल अपना नाम डालो, फोन पे आ जाना, आप मेरे को फोन पे सुना देना। बाकी के लोग भी डालो, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी। सभी लोग डालो अपने अपने नाम, थोड़ा थोड़ा सा बोलेंगे सभी लोग। हाँ शाबाश, सभी लोग डालो अपने अपने नाम, मेरे को पता है कौन कौन रह गया। यस कम ऑन।
Yes,
आस्था।
Astha Di.
आस्था इज नॉट हियर, आई थिंक शी हैज सम
Now,
नेटवर्क इशू।
now
आई
I
कैन कॉल द नेम ऑफ विनय मैडम।
yes, Vinay ma'am, please.
सभी लोग
So
डालो अपने अपने नाम, शाबाश।
good
Yes.
कोमल
evening,
जब तुम्हारा
everyone.
नंबर आए तो फोन कर लेना मेरे को। यस।
Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about something homework. Advantage of homework and disadvantage of homework. First, I will tell you advantage of homework. Homework help student to learn or revise again what have studied in the classroom. Homework is a very effective in learning, and homework develop time management and study skills of students. Homework can engage student in their studies. Teacher can track and keep the record of the progress by the giving homework. And homework help the practice and the preparation for the exam. Homework help to develop a concrete understanding of particular subject and all subjects. Homework can be uh, two type and three types, like writing, reading, and practical homework. Writing homework develop writing skills, and reading homework develop reading skills of students. And practically homework develop practical things. Student do practical work in their home and learn thing by doing. And homework save time and energy of the students. Some students have lots of time, and they waste their time here and there by doing ill things, so it is good for them. Homework is not allowed to waste their time. That type of students, by the homework, teacher can know about the progress of their student, how much they learn, how much they know about the new concept, and what is and also teacher also know about herself, about her teaching also. And homework develop critical and intelligence thinking of the student will able to think new thinking. And they are able to they are able to tell, I have done this thing, and so this is the reaction of this thing. If a science teacher give any homework, like you have to make sprout in your home, so this is a practical homework.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड।
And some students, those do not do their homework on time, they have face only problem in examination time. That time they don't have lot of time to prepare their whole syllabus. So his homework is essential and important part of the study, because it is give a particular and limited time to prepare their exam syllabus. And now I will tell you disadvantage of homework. Homework eat up sometimes free time of the students. Homework is a burden for the students if it is too hard or too difficult. Homework pressure hinder on the growth of the students. Sometimes students face problem to complete their homework. Sometimes students don't have time to play or for their family, or for their family function. Sometimes homeworks develop an anxiety and among the students. If doing homework they don't get guidance, they can learn wrong things or wrong concept also. So it is compulsory to give homework, but first check that it is according to their skills, according to their age, so that they can do this homework, their homework easily, without help, or sometimes take the help of their parents. That's it, sir.
Good, good. Nice to know, madam. So
Yes,
happy.
ma'am, you spoke
Thank you,
very
sir.
well about homework, and your content and efforts are very nice. Keep it up. And now is
एक
the term
मिनट
of
उसको, एक मिनट उसको लगाना आवाज जरा, आस्था को।
please Asta.
आस्था बीच में रह गई थी।
Are you
Yes,
there?
sir.
हाँ बेटा, आ
Yes.
गई।
Please start.
बेटा
Yes.
कभी ऐसी प्रॉब्लम हुआ करे ना तो डिस्कनेक्ट होके दोबारा से ज्वाइन कर लिया करो आप।
सर ये हैंग हो गया था ना फोन।
दोबारा से ज्वाइन करने के बाद सही हो गया ना?
यस सर, स्विच ऑफ किया था।
हाँ ऐसे कर लिया करो बेटा, कभी हो जाए तो, है ना?
ओके सर।
अब बोलो आप।
Hello everyone, my name is Astha from Ramban English Online Interactive Classes B8. Today I am telling you about the importance of homework. Why should homework given or not? What are the advantages of homework? Why it is very important for us? So first I am telling you about why should it given. Always homework should be given because from homework our writing, learning and writing skills get nice. we
शाबाश
get
बेटा। हाँ बोल
we
बेटा।
get we get very profit from homework. Sometimes most of the students don't do their homework should be given because it develop our skills, writing and learning. So next I'm telling you about why it should be not given. I think that homework should also not given because sometimes teachers give much homework to students and students get much pressure. Sometimes from the pressure most of the students don't do their homework.
शाबाश।
Teachers should teachers should give a homework of limit that student can be done properly. Without homework we don't increase our knowledge. With homework our writing get nice, and we also know that in board exams if our writing get mixed so our whole question get wrong and whole answer get wrong. Homework is very necessary part for us in this age. We learn many things and we understand many things from homework. I am sometimes teachers give much homework in festivals, most of the festivals, and students have don't time to enjoy the festival and playing games. And sometimes teachers सर लगाने क्या बोलेंगे?
क्या लगाना है बेटा?
सर एग्जाम ले लेते हैं।
तो होल्ड एग्जाम्स,
समटाइम्स टीचर
ऑर्गेनाइज रख दो, अरेंज रख दो।
गुड इवनिंग सर।
Okay sir. Sometimes teacher organize examinations after festivals, and the students have don't time to learn the questions in festivals, and they don't time to enjoy the festival. And I should saying that homework should be given of limitation. That's it.
वेरी गुड।
Very
क्या
good.
बात?
Thank you sir.
Very
हाँ
Asta.
बेटा बहुत
You
अच्छा बेटा,
spoke
बहुत
very
अच्छा
well.
बोलने लगे बेटा। हाँ
Yes. You spoke very well, and your contents, your speaking, your flow is also good. Keep it up. Now is the turn of Preeti ma'am.
देखो अगर किसी की आवाज में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है तो वो मुझे कॉल कर लेना अपने नंबर पे। जैसे कोमल का जो नंबर आएगा तो कोमल मुझे फोन कर लेना बेटा। ये भी कर सकता है, क्या नाम है इसका, दिलखुश, उनका तुम्हारा नंबर आए और अगर आवाज की प्रॉब्लम है तो मुझे कॉल कर लेना, फोन पे सुनाना मेरे को। यस कम ऑन प्रीति।
Preeti ma'am.
Okay. Good evening, all of you. My name is Preeti Agrawal. Today, our topic is the homework should be given or not. In my views, the homework should be given to the students because the homework helps the students to improve their writing skills because the students do not get so much time in schools for writing, because when the teacher explains and the teacher gives the question answers to write, but a teacher, because the teachers have the limited time, limited periods time, so teacher cannot give the students so much time to write. So the students can get the proper time at home to write their homework, so they can improve their writing skills. In school, teacher can only tell them the writings, how can they improve the writing skills, but the students have to improve their skills at home, because they don't get so much time at school. And by the homework, the students can improve their learning skills also, because if the teacher will make the students learning at home, at school, so the teacher cannot clear their concepts, the all the times will finish in the learning only. And if the teacher give the projects work, so it will help the students to improve their imaginations and improve their creativity. Students can improve their art creativity by doing these projects, and parents can also participate in these activities and in these projects also. So it helps to the parents also, those parents who are not so much educated, they help their children, and they also learn with their children, and it helps to the parents also. And sometimes the teachers give a lot of work, but it should not be given so much, because we should think that the children, if we keep the children all the time busy in the studies only, so it will be a problem in the physical development in a student, because when
शाबाश, बहुत
because
बढ़िया, वाह।
student sit and do his or her homework, so he or she has to focus on the study, and he or she has to sit on a place, so they cannot play physical games, so they have to only focus on the study. So we have to give the students and limited homework, and we should also check the background of the students, because some students parents are not so educated, they can't help the students to complete their homework, and the teacher expect all the students that why you did not complete your homework. And when the child tell that I could not complete my work because my parents were not able to complete this work, I did not get how to complete this work, so teacher scold that student, and it creates a negativity, and it's a demotivate of the student. So we should take care of this also. And they are both equal things, advantage and disadvantage also, so we have to take care all the things. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया
Very
प्रीति।
nice, Preeti ma'am. You spoke very well,
वेरी
and
गुड
your
यार।
speaking flow and your contents, thoughts, every good, Yaniki. So
Thank
I'm
you.
now
चलो
is the
अंकिता,
turn of Rakshit.
नाम डालो अपना अपना सभी लोग, और यस
Now
कमन,
is the
रक्षित
turn
फ्रॉम
of
B10,
Rakshit.
रक्षित फ्रॉम B10, सभी लोग अपना अपना नाम डालो, थोड़ा थोड़ा सा तो सबको बोलने की कोशिश करनी है। यस कमन
सर
रक्षित।
मैं मदर पे बोलना चाहता हूँ।
हाँ बिल्कुल बोलो, आप B10 वालों को पूरी छूट है, वो किसी पे भी बोले,
Please
My
start.
और
mother.
बाकी के बैचेस के स्टूडेंट्स भी इस पे नहीं बोल पा रहे हैं, किसी और पे बोलना है तो बोल सकते हैं। यस रक्षित कमन।
Hello friends, my name is Rakshit Mauryan. I am a student of Ramban English online classes. My topic is my mother. My mother name is Suman Lata Mauryan. My mother is a housewife. My mother is 36-year-old. My mother help me is my homework. She is my best friend. My mother cooks food for my family. I love my mother very much. She is get up early
हाँ बेटा
in
लाइन
the
पे।
morning. My mother is the most important person in my life. That's it.
शाबाश। यस अशफाक।
Yes, you spoke very well, Rakshit. You are the student of B10, but you spoke very well. Now is the turn of Komaldi.
यस कोमल, बोल बेटा।
Are you here?
Hello,
Hello.
hello, hello,
I think
hello,
she has.
कोमल, बेटा इसमें भी नहीं आ रही तेरी आवाज। फोन खराब है
Maybe she
तेरा।
has. Sir, this problem.
फोन खराब है बेटा।
सर किस पे बोलना है?
सर कोमल दी क्लास में नहीं है।
हेलो, देखो बोलने वाली बात तो ऐसी है कि आज का टॉपिक है होमवर्क का, फिर भी लेकिन B10 वाले किसी भी टॉपिक पे बोल सकते हैं। B10 वालों के लिए कोई टॉपिक नहीं है, किसी भी टॉपिक पे बोलना है और बोलने की कोशिश करना है थोड़ा थोड़ा सा। यस, कम ऑन अशफाक, call the
Yes.
next name because Komal is not able to connect with me.
Okay. Now is the turn of Icha.
Hello students, my name is Ichha Singh. I am student of Ramban online classes from B10. I am telling about noise pollution. Noise pollution results when man does not listen carefully. Noises are the sound we have learned to ignore. Noise pollution today is being resisted by noise abatement. This
शाबाश
is
बेटा,
a
शाबाश बेटा, बोल
this
बेटा।
is a
हाँ,
negative approach. We must we must seek a way to make environmental acoustics a positive study program.
शाबाश बेटा।
Which sound which sounds do we want to preserve, encourage, multiply? When we know this the boring or destructive sound, we will know why we must eliminate them. Only a total appreciation of the acoustic environment can give us the resources for improving the orchestration of the world soundscape. For many years, I have been fighting for ear clearing in schools to eliminate audiometry in factories. That's it. Thank you.
Okay.
You spoke
Yes,
very
Ashfaq.
well, and you are the student of B10, but you spoke very well, and your speaking was very. You spoke very well, and your thoughts are also good. Now is the turn of Priyanka Di. Hello,
प्रियंका
Di.
देवासी।
Hello, hello friends. My name is Priyanka Devasi. I read 12th class. I am classes after B10. Diwali is
Your
very
voice is
important
not
festival.
clear. Hello, your
Diwa
voice is not clear.
बोलो
Diwali,
बोलो 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 प्रियंका।
in the month of October or November every year. When Diwali comes, people decorate their house.
हाँ, शाबाश, बोल, कोशिश कर।
Flowers. Diwali is 5 days festival. Diwali wear new clothes on day. In the evening, my old friends come to my house.
हाँ,
Diwali makes
शाबाश शाबाश।
have happy old peoples on day. Also, Diwali in environment.
कोई बात नहीं
सर
बेटा,
इतना ही बोलना चाहती हूँ।
हो जाएगा। यस अशफाक।
Yes, you spoke very well. Next time, try to speak better. And now is the turn of Sana Khan. Hello,
Sana?
Sana Khan.
हाँ.
Hello everyone. My name is Sana Khan, student of Ramban Introductory Classes. My best teacher. Uh, my best teacher is the most important in my life. Uh, he teach English. He is strict. And Teachers Day it is celebrated on September
हाँ.
5. And my teacher very intelligent and he is always
हाँ.
happy. Uh, and my teacher is the best teacher.
हाँ. शाबाश.
And my teacher is very special
शाबाश
for
बेटा.
me.
बहुत
That's it.
बढ़िया. बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश बेटा.
You
कोशिश ही तो
spoke,
करना है. Yes,
you
अशफाक.
spoke very well, and you tried to give your best next
बाकी के
time.
लोग और भी दो अपने अपने नाम.
Yes,
अंकिता बोलो थोड़ा कुछ.
I think you can give your better next
सर मैं
time.
बोलने वाली हूँ माय
हाँ
फादर
बोलो.
पर। सर मैं थोड़ी देर बाद बोलूँ
ये
प्लीज।
तो सब नाम हो गए ना पूरे. कोशिश करो. अंकिता हो गई.
अच्छा।
आसमा बोल बेटा. आसमा, निशा,
Now is the
पूजा.
turn of Sapna.
पूजा का है. पूजा.
Sir,
यस सर।
हाँ पूजा क्या हुआ.
sir, नाम है.
सर मैं बोलूं?
हाँ बोलो.
my topic my family.
आसमा है क्या.
Yes sir.
बोल आसमा.
I have wonderful family. I love all my family members. There are 6 members in my family, and my parents, my grandparents, and my young sisters, and my father is a RCC builder, and my mother is a housewife.
शाबाश
Sorry,
बेटा. बोलते रहे.
बस
हाँ.
that's it यार.
शाबाश. कोई बात नहीं. थोड़ा थोड़ा सही बोलो पर कोशिश करो. यस कौन आ रहा है अभी.
Very good.
हाँ
सर
बेटा
मैं
अब मैं
बोलूँ?
देख लूंगा इनको. अब तेरे बस की नहीं है. मेरे को देखना पड़ेगा.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
सर मैं बोलूँ?
हाँ बोलो कौन है. बोलो बोलो सबको बोलना थोड़ा थोड़ा सा. बोलो बेटा.
My father name is Indramohan Meena. He is teacher
हाँ
and
शाबाश.
my most important family member.
हाँ
He is a very good father, very good
शाबाश. बोलती
very
रहे.
good father. He is a he sir 2 minutes. He is a very good teacher
हाँ.
and he sir इतना ही.
अब कोई बात नहीं है. कोई बात नहीं है. ये मैं बताऊंगा आपको मैं क्यों बुलवा रहा हूँ आपसे. पिंकी.
Sir.
पिंकी.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Sir, I cannot speak.
ओके ठीक है. अब आ जाओ. निशा प्रजापत B10. बेटा मन है तो बोल ले थोड़ा सा. निशा प्रजापत.
यस सर.
हाँ बेटा बोल. थोड़ा सा बोल. कुछ बोल बेटा.
सर 1 मिनट.
हाँ
सर थोड़ी देर बाद में.
अच्छा ओके. पूजा. पूजा तुम तो बोल सकते हो. पूजा.
यस सर।
हाँ.
हाँ मैं थोड़ी देर बाद में बोलूंगी सर।
और सब थोड़ी देर बात करेंगे तो कैसे काम मिलेगा. पंकज. सुनील.
सर मैं थोड़ी तबीयत.
पंकज कहाँ गया. पंकज. सुनील.
सर मैं
मंजेश.
नेक्स्ट टाइम बोलूंगा ये फर्स्ट टाइम.
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं. और सपना.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
My name is Sapna Meena. I read in our 12th class in RJP school. My favorite teacher name is Rajesh Gupta.
हाँ. शाबाश शाबाश, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी, 2 लाइन ही बोलना चाहे पर बोलना, कोशिश करना बस।
He is the teacher of English subject.
शाबाश, हाँ।
He always all students
शाबाश, हाँ।
all students respected him.
हाँ, अब कोई बात नहीं बेटा, कोई बात नहीं है। हाँ भैया, अब आ जाओ, जो रह गया है आ जाओ फटाफट से। पूजा, पूजा
हाँ सर।
बोलो।
आई
बोलो।
हाँ सर, एक मिनट। I am Pooja. I read in Prerna Public School in 11th class. I am a student in Rambagh English. My father name is Suresh Chand. My mother name is Brinda Devi. My brother name is Naresh Kumar. My family member, only 4 members. My father is very hardworking. My mother cook food very well. That's it, sir.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं है, बहुत बढ़िया। और कोई कुछ कह रहे थे, हम बाद में बोलेंगे। नहीं, ओके, चलिए मैं क्लोज कर रहा हूँ रिकॉर्डिंग आपकी।
अरे नो सर, मैं बोलूंगा अभी।
बहुत जल्दी बोल, मैं जल्दी बोल।
अगले जन्म में बोलेगा क्या?
माय फेवरेट टीचर,
हाँ,
आई रीडिंग 12th class. Mrs. Rajesh Gupta is my favorite teacher. He is good nature. He is good teacher.
हाँ,
He teach us English. He is good. नहीं सर, सॉरी।
कोई बात नहीं, तो बोल आराम से।
He is about 53 years old.
हाँ,
He always puts on simple dress.
हाँ,
He is a man of simple nature.
हाँ,
He is hardworking.
वेरी गुड, सही बोल रहा है, बोलते जा।
सर इतना ही है।
बस कोई बात नहीं है, बहुत है, बहुत है, कोशिश करने वाली बात है बस। और कोई है? और कोई? मैं बंद करूं, रिकॉर्डिंग बंद कर रहा हूं मैं। बाद में भी बोल सकते हो पर रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं हो पाएगी वो, ये मैंने कर दिया। हाँ, बोल बोल।
Sir, my name is Nisha Prajapati. My father name is Rajesh Kumar Prajapati. My mother name is Anita Devi.
शाबाश।
And
हाँ,
my mother is a housewife. My mother is 26 years old. My father is 30 32 years old. And my family members is 5. My sister name is Aarti. My brother name is Mohit Prajapati. I live in Jaipur. My favorite subject in English. My favorite bus.
बस बहुत बढ़िया। 100 की स्पीड से तो बोल रही है, और कैसे बोलेगी? और कौन? और कोई जो रह गए हो? मेरे पास जो आए हुए हैं और जो रह गए हैं उनमें एक तो सुनील और एक मंजेश, बाकी सबका आ गया है, बस ये 2 जने रह गए। चलो मैं अब क्लोज कर रहा हूं मैं रिकॉर्डिंग। ओके, दिस